From the filmmakers of The Lord of the Rings.
Strange to think this is what it looked like.
That's what happens when the Earth's crust gets shattered into 1,000 pieces.
After the war, cities were rebuilt on the seas, in the skies. But the deadliest ones were built on wheels.
What is that?
That is London.
This weapon can wipe out the largest city in the blink of an eye.
Not if we shut it down.
You sure you want to do this?
I have to.
Stay out of sight until I give you the signal.
What signal?
Trust me, you'll know. I'm not that subtle.
Hold on!
We have to stop London before it destroys us.
They're playing with fire.
Cut the rope!
You want to die?
I'm gonna live.
Do it!
Mortal Engines. Experience it in IMAX. Rated PG-13.